Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 0700 Accord we have in the shop, we're going to show you how to remove the front bumper. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. The hood release is on the driver's side, left side kick panel, down by the driver's left foot. It's clearly marked with a hood on it. Pull the cable. The safety latch, release latch, is right here in the center, right above the H symbol. Then you have your hood rod. It goes right into the indicator. You see the arrow pointing down to that square. Prop it in there. We're going to release the body clips on the shroud area on the front of the nose of the engine. And I have these little pliers that have pinchers on them, and they go on each side. And you can pull that body clip right out. I'm going to remove all of them. Last body clip, and now we have two Phillips plastic body style clips. I just use a small pocket screwdriver and just turn it slowly. The threads on these, because they're plastic on plastic, it just really is, there's no method to it. Now we can grab our cover, lift it up. So I raised and supported my vehicle so I could get underneath and take down the splash guard in the front here where it attaches to the front plastic bumper. Same procedure as up on top with these clips. Now there's supposed to be some metal bolts for these tins, but the car has gone through some ages of salt sand, so they're all broken off. I've lowered the vehicle mid-range for me so that I can grab a Phillips screwdriver, and you'll see the actual Phillips head right here attaching that fender well. I'm going to take this out and repeat the process on the other side. So if you follow the fender line over into the metal fender, the plastic bumper, right in here there are three body clips that just slide the plastic and lock it in. So you're going to grab in your fender well and give it a good pull. See the indents? And then you're going to follow around to the other side, do the same thing. Then we have two bolts right here and the same spot on the other side, passenger side, 10mm socket. Now we're going to take those off. So now we have the two bolts out. We should be able to grab this plastic fender well and just pull it right out. Whenever removing a front bumper, this styrofoam bumper cover is factory, and they usually just use masking tape. As you can see, that's straight from the factory. Weather has worn our tape here, so I'm just going to quickly tape this so it's sturdy again and it's easier for us to work with. So now we're going to install the front bumper cover. So you get a good handle on it. Bring that right in. I'm going to line up the top first. You see these tabs right here? That tab goes right inside that tab on that middle bumper. Right on both sides. Get one side, then come over. Do the other side. Okay, line everything up. Just give it a good push. Make sure you put your fender skirt up inside before you push the final tab in. Oh, this side went in nice and smooth. Before I put any plastic clips in or the Phillips heads on the fender well, I'm gonna put in the actual mounting bolts up here, line this all up, and get it nice and secure before I do that. This side's lined up. Put my 10mm sockets head bolt in. Just snugging it, and I'm gonna go to the other side and see what is going on. See if I can get this to line up. There we go. Now I'm ready to snug these down. I'm going to raise it up, put the two fender skirt screws in, and then bring it all the way up. I'm going to take the mounting Phillips screw, bring it right in there, snug that down. Repeat the process on the other side. So now this fender skirt goes up underneath the front bumper cover, so there's enough flexibility in it that you can just pry it down, push it up into place. Now we'll take our plastic inserts, and put them into place. Now if yours is in better contact than this one, you will have, once again, 3 10mm head bolts on each fender well in that side and on this side. And the rest are plastic pins, push-in pins. These ones were missing or broken. Okay, now we're going to bring it down, put our top radiator cover on. Last piece we're going to install is our upper cover, and you guide the hood latch in. Pretty simple. And the cover has this little tab right here. See the plastic cutoff? You're just going to manipulate it, bend it, put it right inside the fender well. And then we have all our plastic push tabs. Just go around, line them all up. and push them into place. Last two are the little top screws, the plastic screws. And then I just take the plastic screw, line it up, push it down. Ready to go. Let's close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.